Your dream home awaits. Discover the perfect blend of classic charm and modern comfort in this beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 1-bath cottage. Originally built in 1950. Living 1,601 and total area 2,787 square feet plus/. This home has undergone extensive renovations since its purchase in 2013, ensuring it meets today's lifestyle needs while retaining its charm and appeal. In 2014, the home was stripped down to 2x4 studs and rebuilt to hurricane standards, providing peace of mind and durability. A new metal roof was installed in 2016, and in 2022, the front porch was rebuilt after Hurricane Ida, along with a brand new storage building and HVAC system. In 2023, a new driveway was added on Center Street, and a Generac generator was installed, ensuring you'll never be without power. As you approach the property, you'll be greeted by a stunning front screened porch, 287 square feet, that provides a serene outdoor space to relax. Step inside to be captivated by the craftsmanship that is highlighted by original wood floors, custom tray ceilings, and crown fluted moldings, soft new colors that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The spacious kitchen is a delight, featuring custom kitchen cabinets, and the generously sized bedrooms offer ample space for comfort, including a master bedroom with a walk-in closet. The bathroom boasts both a custom tiled shower and a soaking tub, making it a perfect retreat. Situated on a corner lot with dual access from Center and Dunn Streets, this cottage-style home is move-in ready and located in a quiet neighborhood. Enjoy the convenience of being close to Terrebonne General Hospital, medical facilities, a variety of restaurants, churches, and private schools. With room to expand and a 2-car carport, this property is perfect for those who enjoy having extra space. This cottage is truly a standout property that combines